Home defense is a responsibility no one can afford to take lightly. When seconds count and threats arise, having the right tool by your side can mean the difference between safety and disaster. That's where Tactical Revolvers come in. Renowned for their reliability, power, and simplicity, revolvers have long been trusted in critical situations. And in this video, we're counting down 10 of the deadliest tactical revolvers for home defense in 2025. From compact designs that are easy to handle in tight spaces to powerful options that deliver unmatched stopping power, this list covers it all. You'll discover revolvers packed with innovative features like optics-ready designs and low recoil systems, alongside timeless classics that have stood the test of time. Each revolver on the list brings something unique to the table, tailored to help you stay prepared and protected. If you're passionate about staying informed on the best firearms for every need, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your safety starts with knowledge, and we're here to keep you armed with the best. Let's get started. Number 10. Smith & Wesson Model 69 Combat. Compact, powerful, and reliable, this revolver is everything you'd want for home defense. With a barrel length of 4.25 inches and an overall length of 9.6 inches, it strikes a perfect balance between maneuverability and accuracy. Weighing it at just 37.2 ounces, it's light enough for quick handling, but hefty enough to reduce recoil during rapid follow-up shots. Chambered in .44 Magnum, it's a force to be reckoned with, offering the stopping power necessary to handle any threat. For those who prefer versatility, it's also capable of firing 44 special rounds, giving you a softer shooting option when needed. Its 5-round cylinder ensures reliability and simplicity, while the stainless steel frame is both durable and corrosion resistant. The double-action, single-action trigger offers flexibility, whether you need a fast response or prefer a lighter pull for precision shots. Meanwhile, the ergonomic grip ensures a firm hold, even under stress, while the adjustable rear sight allows for fine-tuned aim to match your specific needs. It's currently priced between $815 and $950, depending on the retailer and specific configurations. Pros: powerful .44 Magnum chambering with .44 special versatility, compact yet durable stainless steel design, and adjustable rear sight for enhanced aiming. Cons: limited to 5-round capacity and heavier compared to smaller caliber revolvers. Number 9. Ruger Redhawk. Built for power and reliability, this revolver is a solid choice for home defense. It features a 4.2-inch barrel and an overall length of 9.5 inches, making it compact enough for close quarters handling, but long enough to provide consistent accuracy. Weighing 49 ounces, it is a hefty build that helps manage the powerful recoil of its chambering. The beast is chambered in .44 Magnum, delivering the kind of firepower needed to stop a threat in its tracks. It's also compatible with .44 special rounds, offering a more controlled option for practice or versatility. Its 6-round capacity gives you an extra shot compared to most revolvers in its class, ensuring you have enough firepower when it counts. The stainless steel frame and robust construction make it extremely durable, capable of withstanding heavy use without breaking a sweat. The single-action and double-action trigger setup gives you versatility for either rapid or deliberate shots. A comfortable hardwood grip provides excellent control, even under stress, while the ramp front sight paired with an adjustable rear sight allows for dependable aiming. It's currently priced between $939 and $1,400, depending on the retailer and specific model. Pros: chambered in .44 Magnum with .44 special compatibility. 6-round capacity offers an edge over most competitors, and durable stainless steel construction for longevity. Cons: heavier weight may not suit everyone, and bulkier frame compared to other revolvers. Number 8. Charter Arms Pitbull. This revolver is a standout choice for home defense, offering reliability and versatility in a compact package. With a 2.3-inch barrel and an overall length of 6.75 inches, it's designed for quick handling in tight spaces. Weighing just 22 ounces, it's lightweight enough for prolonged use without sacrificing durability. Chambered at 9mm, it brings a unique advantage to the table. Unlike many revolvers, it doesn't require moon clips for loading thanks to its patented dual coil spring system. This feature streamlines operation and ensures each round is securely held in place. The 5-round capacity keeps things simple, while the stainless steel construction adds a layer of durability that's crucial in demanding situations. The double-action, single-action trigger setup offers flexibility, whether you need a quick response or a more controlled shot. Its rubber grip ensures a firm hold, even in high-pressure scenarios. The fixed sights provide a straightforward aiming system perfect for close-quarters engagements where speed matters most. It's currently priced between $375 and $430. Pros: compact and lightweight for easy handling. Innovative moon clip-free design for 9mm rounds. And durable stainless steel frame with a comfortable rubber grip. Cons: smaller 5-round capacity. And fixed sights may not suit users looking for adjustable options. Number 7. Colt King Cobra. This revolver is a powerhouse in reliability and performance, built for those who need accuracy under pressure. With a 4.25-inch barrel and an overall length of 9.25 inches, it offers a balanced design that's ideal for home defense. Weighing 36 ounces, it's heavy enough to reduce recoil, yet light enough for easy handling. Chambered at .357 Magnum, it delivers substantial stopping power with the option to use .38 special rounds for reduced recoil during practice or when versatility is needed. Its 6-round capacity provides an edge over smaller revolvers, while the robust stainless steel frame ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The double-action, single-action trigger gives you flexibility for quick follow-up shots or more controlled firing. Its Hogue overmolded grip enhances comfort and control, even in high-stress situations. The fiber optic front sight paired with an adjustable rear sight makes aiming straightforward and reliable, whether you're defending your home or practicing at the range. It is currently priced between $738 and $1,600. Pros: chambered in .357 Magnum with .38 special versatility. 6-round capacity for added firepower. And durable stainless steel frame with comfortable Hogue grip. Cons: slightly heavier than most competitors, and larger size may not suit those seeking a compact option. Number 6. Taurus 605 T.O.R.O. .357 Magnum. This revolver is a modern solution for home defense, combining power and adaptability in a compact design. Featuring a 3-inch barrel and an overall length of 7.5 inches, it strikes a practical balance for close quarters use and accurate targeting. At 23.5 ounces, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough to handle the powerful recoil of .357 Magnum rounds. Chambered at .357 Magnum, this revolver provides serious stopping power with the option to use .38 special rounds for reduced recoil during practice or versatility. Its standout feature is the optics-ready design, allowing you to mount a red dot sight for enhanced aiming capability. An unusual but welcome feature in a revolver. With a 5-round capacity, it keeps things simple and reliable. The double-action, single-action trigger system caters to both rapid response and deliberate firing. The ergonomic rubber grip offers excellent control and comfort, even in stressful situations. The black matte finish not only looks sleek, but also provides resistance against wear and corrosion, ensuring longevity. It is currently priced between $316 and $400. Pros: optics-ready design for red dot mounting. Chambered at .357 Magnum with .38 special capability. And lightweight and compact for easy handling. Cons: limited 5-round capacity. An optics feature may not appeal to traditional revolvers. Number 5. Kimber K6s TLE. This revolver combines compact design with exceptional firepower, making it an outstanding choice for home defense. Featuring a 3-inch barrel and an overall length of 8.62 inches, it is small enough for quick handling, yet delivers reliable performance. Weighing 25.5 ounces, it's lightweight for easy use, but retains enough heft to manage recoil effectively. Chambered in .357 Magnum, it offers powerful stopping capability while maintaining capacity with 38 special rounds for more versatile use. Its 6-round capacity gives you an extra shot compared to many compact revolvers, providing an edge in high-stress situations. The stainless steel frame is robust and resistant to wear, ensuring long-lasting durability. The standout feature of this model is its smooth double-action trigger, designed for consistent pull and enhanced control. The ergonomic G10 grips provide a secure and comfortable hold, even in challenging scenarios. Its tritium night sights allow for quick and accurate target acquisition, making it reliable in low-light conditions. It is currently priced between $780 and $1,015. Pros: chambered in .357 Magnum with 38 special versatility, 6-round capacity for added firepower, and tritium night sights for low-light reliability. Cons: double-action only trigger may not suit all users, and premium pricing compared to other options. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Model 686. This revolver stands as a benchmark for reliability and performance, making it a strong option for home defense. Featuring a 4-inch barrel and an overall length of 9.56 inches, it offers a well-balanced design that is easy to handle while maintaining excellent shooting capabilities. At 40 ounces, its weight effectively absorbs recoil, making it ideal for handling powerful rounds. Chambered in .357 Magnum, it delivers impressive stopping power with the option to fire 38 special rounds for a softer shooting experience during training or reduced recoil scenarios. With a 6-round capacity, it provides an edge in defense situations where every shot matters. Its stainless steel frame ensures robust durability, while its satin finish adds a sleek and wear-resistant touch. The double-action, single-action trigger setup allows for quick response or more controlled firing, depending on the situation. Its ergonomic synthetic grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, even during extended use. Additionally, the adjustable rear sight and ramp-style front sight make aiming straightforward and reliable, even for less experienced users. It is currently priced between $821 and $1,430, depending on the retailer and specific model. Pros: chambered in .357 Magnum with 38 special capability. Durable stainless steel frame with a refined satin finish. And excellent weight balance for reduced recoil. Cons: heavier than some competitors, and larger size may not suit users prioritizing compactness. Number 3. Ruger GP100. This revolver is a dependable choice for home defense, built to deliver consistent performance when it matters most. With a 4.2-inch barrel and an overall length of 9.5 inches, it strikes a great balance between maneuverability and shooting accuracy. Weighing 40 ounces, it has enough weight to manage the recoil of powerful rounds while remaining comfortable to handle. Chambered in .357 Magnum, it provides the stopping power needed for defensive situations, while also allowing the use of 38 special rounds for reduced recoil and more affordable practice sessions. Its 6-round capacity gives you ample firepower in critical moments, and the stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to wear. The revolver features a double-action, single-action trigger system, allowing for fast follow-up shots or more controlled firing. The cushioned rubber grip with hardwood inserts not only enhances control, but also adds a touch of classic style. Its adjustable rear sight and ramp front sight makes targeting reliable and straightforward, whether at the range or in a defensive scenario. It's currently priced between $650 and $846 depending on the retailer and specific model. Pros: chambered at .357 Magnum with .38 Special compatibility. Durable stainless steel build for long-lasting performance. And balanced design for ease of handling and reduced recoil. Cons: heavier than some competitors. In larger size may not suit users seeking a more compact revolver. Number 2. Chiappa Rhino 40DS. This revolver is a modern take on home defense, offering innovative features that sets it apart. With a 4-inch barrel and an overall length of 8.5 inches, it's compact yet provides excellent handling for defensive scenarios. Weighing 29.9 ounces, it's lighter than many in its class, ensuring easier control without compromising performance. Chambered at .357 Magnum, it delivers the stopping power needed in high-pressure situations, with the option to use .38 Special rounds for reduced recoil or training purposes. Its unique low barrel alignment is a game changer, significantly reducing muzzle flip and recoil, allowing for faster and more accurate follow-up shots. The 6-round capacity offers a solid balance of firepower and simplicity. The revolver's futuristic design is more than just aesthetic. Its aluminum alloy frame reduces weight while maintaining durability, and the ergonomic grip ensures a firm and comfortable hold. The fiber optic front sight and adjustable rear sight make aiming straightforward and efficient even in low light conditions. It is currently priced between $865 and $1,230. Pros: low barrel alignment reduces recoil and muzzle flip. Lightweight aluminum alloy frame for improved handling. And chambered in .357 Magnum with .38 Special compatibility. Cons: unconventional design may not appeal to traditionalists, and higher price point compared to other options. Now, coming in at number 1, Smith & Wesson Model 327 TRR8. When it comes to home defense, this revolver sets the standard for power, reliability, and modern design. With a 5-inch barrel and an overall length of 11.5 inches, it strikes an impressive balance between control and reach. At just 35.8 ounces, it's lighter than you'd expect thanks to its advanced scandium alloy frame, which provides strength without unnecessary bulk. Chambered in .357 Magnum, this revolver delivers uncompromising stopping power with the added versatility of firing special rounds for smoother practice sessions or reduced recoil. Its 8-round capacity stands out, giving you an advantage over traditional revolvers while maintaining the simplicity and reliability that revolvers are known for. What truly makes this revolver shine is its tactical design. It comes optics ready, featuring an integrated rail on the top and bottom for mounting accessories like lights or red dot sights, ensuring adaptability to any defense scenario. The smooth double-action, single-action trigger allows for quick, responsive firing, while the adjustable rear sight and gold bead front sight enhance aiming precision. Its textured rubber grip provides a secure hold even in high-stress situations. This revolver is currently priced between $1,272 and $1,490, depending on the retailer and specific model. Pros: high 8-round capacity for superior firepower. Lightweight yet durable scandium alloy frame. Optics ready with integrated rails for accessories. Cons: premium pricing may not fit all budgets, and slightly larger frame may not suit concealed carry needs. Protecting your home starts with the right tools, and these tactical revolvers are built for reliability, power, and control. From innovative designs to trusted classics, each one is ready to defend when it matters most. Which revolver stood out to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to All About Firearms for more top firearm insights. Stay safe and prepared. See you in the next video.